Hi guys, it's me, Gloria. I just wanted to let you guys give you an update, and as you could see, we are not in Oregon. We are here at our home in the San Francisco Bay Area. Kind of wanted to do this video just to update you guys, to let you know why we don't do a lot of videos. So I think we put a video out last week, and I did a little Christmas video. I put that on my personal channel just because it's not pertaining to the land or buildings, so I didn't put that one out. But then we went back the following week and I did do some recording. I will post that video, but not for about 2 more weeks. I will give you a little quick teaser on what we did. So go ahead and watch that right now. Okay, so now that you're back, the reason we only post every like 3 weeks or so is because we live 6.5 hours away from our property. So John works Monday through Thursday, and when he gets home from work Thursday, he's completely pooped. So when we do go up, we'll go up Friday morning, and we leave about 4:30, 5 a.m. and go up there. As soon as we get up there around 9 or 10, we start hustling. Well, I should say he starts hustling, and he gets straight to work. I get straight to work trying to record him, but he gets straight to work and does as much as he possibly can do in one day. And then we have Saturday. He will work all day Saturday. And then Sunday, we literally have to pack up early in the morning and then come straight home to get ready for work on Monday. The kids have school, so we have to get ready for all of that. So it's a challenge for us to get back and forth so much. So yes, the videos should, especially in the summer, hopefully start coming a little more often. But we're doing what we can do. Just be patient with us, stick with us, and if you want us to continue to post, please like and subscribe. It really will help us. I am going to try to start posting some more, and I'm trying to update some of our camera gear. So if we get some more, I will kind of let you guys know what we were using and what we started using, and yeah, it's all based on, what we could afford at that time. Let's see, what else? Okay. A comment that we've had a couple of times is I sit down and watch a lot and don't do a lot of helping, which is totally true. I wanted to address that. I have was in a car accident a few years ago, and I have a horrible back. I just can't do physically, I can't lift anything. And I just can't do much. Even from a little bit of things I do, like I could cut down a couple trees, I can't do any bending, and I can't move anything. Even just from cutting the trees or holding the chainsaw, I'm laid out for like the next day or two. So it's not that I don't want to help, I definitely do. I just can't, it kind of stinks. After that, I started getting a movement disorder, which I will have a link to right up here. It was really bad. I was even in a wheelchair for a few months, and I have several videos from me documenting what was going on with me, and it was really scary. So it's not that I don't want to help, I just can't because of my back, and I have fibromyalgia, and And if I get too tired and my back starts hurting too much, I start moving again from that movement disorder. Even though it's completely gone now, it's still, it still comes up. So anyway, I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Hang in there. We will do as much as we can in the future. And I guess that's it. Just thank you. And hopefully you'll see our big kids in some of our videos this summer. They're off in college, and so they obviously can't come with us much. But thank you guys. We really, really, truly appreciate you. And please like and subscribe again if you haven't yet. And let us know in the comments if there's anything that you want us to talk about or you want to see. Okay? Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.